Believe it or not, guys, it is almost midnight and we're gonna bring you along to a really fun come with me. Oh my goodness, you guys. Yes, I'm bringing you guys to my local neighborhood grocery store. It's about midnight and I'm gonna take you guys along to a really fun come with me. I can't believe it. This is an amazing plant shop within my grocery store. It is so fun. Like, come on, let's go check it out. I just kind of want to show you this area before we walk into the main section of all of the beautiful plants and arrangements that they have. I don't know about you guys, but this is the best grocery store plant shop I've ever seen. Local neighborhood grocery store plant section. It is the best I've ever seen in any grocery store. So give me a big thumbs up for coming out at midnight to film another Come With Me episode in Arizona. So we got here last night to this grocery store to do some Thanksgiving shopping, and I had to come back again tonight to grab more things. And there are a few plants that my grandma and I were eyeing out, but I want to give you guys, of course, my style of Come With Me videos, giving you guys prices and showing you the variety that they have. So this is a beautiful calathea. There's no price on this, but I want to say that they are all around $10. So $10 for this croton. This guy, I think all of this 6 inches. Look at this green Congo philodendron. I believe this is also for $9. Chinese evergreen. I think all of the 6 inches are priced for $10. Yeah, $10 for this. And I wanna assume that this calathea is also priced for $10. Actually, this is a really good deal for this size of calathea compared to like nurseries. So yes, look at this big calathea for $10. I mean, these will grow into a beautiful, nice foliage. I mean, a little damage here, but for $10, guys, like, what do you think? They also have a bunch of different things here. They have lilies. This is the one that I've been eyeing out from last night. Take a look at this. This is a green Congo philodendron, priced for $10. Like, how stunning is that? I kept thinking about it. I was actually gonna buy it last night, but I wanted to come back and film a Come With Me, so I may get this. I already have a red Congo philodendron, but I don't have a green Congo philodendron, so I might have to get that. And then you come here, and there's beautiful poinsettias. These are priced for $10. My grandma loved them in her home, but she's not gonna be in Hawaii, so none of that is gonna go on. Maybe at my mom's house. The calla lilies are priced for, I don't know the price of this. And then we have the kalanchoe, the kalanchos, and this whole thing is priced for $25, I guess, because of decorative cans. And then the mums are priced for $15. They got all kinds of different kalanchoes here. But these, I were really impressed when I seen these last night. These are a variety gift baskets, and they go for $35 a piece. And they have like begonia in here. They have the ZZ plant, kalanchos, and a lily. And then this one has an arrowhead. And if you turn it here, you got the ivy, kalancho, and a lily. This goes for $35 with the cute basket. And I know one of them had a peperomia. Here it is. Look at this. I was impressed about this one. If you take a look here, there's a peperomia hidden there. And then lilies, kalanchos, and the ivy here. So they go for, I think, $35 a piece. Here's another basket here. Mixed basket for $35. And I just love the variation of the arrowhead. But isn't that so cool to see in a grocery store? If I could choose any one of these 4 baskets, I probably would go with this one just because of the begonia. The zebra plant is my headache plant, but I mean, you get all of this for $45, and the one with the peperomia goes for $35. So this goes for $35, and I think because of the zebra plant and the begonia, this is like $10 more. But still fun to see. Like, take a look at this basket. This one is a showstopper. So I believe this is the begonia rex, and then the peperomia guinea. And then you also have the lily and the calancho here. And this is for $45. So, I mean, this would be like my two I would love to have. But like, how fun is that? Love that. And then we have like the Christmas cactus. Now, these are pretty reasonable. I mean, $13 and you get all of this. It's pretty heavy too. And then they have, of course, Brazilian philodendron in an 8-inch. But look at how thick and hardy this is for $15. I think this is really expensive, but I mean, just to see a trailing houseplant in the grocery store makes me really happy. And of course, all of the different poinsettias. Grandma, look at how pretty this poinsettia is right here. I love it. And then these go for... Grandma always liked the traditional red. I don't know the prices, but I want to say they're $5 because these are $5. And then, I mean, just look at all of the cut flower arrangements that they have. I know when I was in nursing school, I love cut flowers and I love getting them at my local farmer's market. But I just love the cut flowers. And then here's an ivy here, priced for $15. And then a pothos, which I don't know what's going, the amount it's going for, but very fun to see. And then look at this, they even got like a windowsill garden. I didn't see this last night when I got here, but look, kitchen herb garden. You can grow cherry tomatoes. Isn't that fun? This is the first time I've seen this. It wasn't here last night. And then we have some mint here. Grandma's looking at the plants there. We have a succulent here, and then just like look at all of the things that they have to choose from to make like a cute gift basket. Oh, look at that. We have a glass hanging succulent arrangement, and then we get into all of the orchids. So something like this is $17. And I mean, look at how cute this is. I love this. I love that. That is so cute. I want to know how much this is. No price, but I love this vase a lot. My mom always gives me roses in Las Vegas when I'm dancing for my show, so I always have a vase in my bedroom. These go for $28 a piece. $13, $23. I mean, I shop for my orchids in downtown LA because it's so super cheap, but just to see so many different varieties of orchids here makes me really happy. Now we get into the succulents here. So they have that fairy castle cactus that I love, $7 with some fake flowers on it, some variegated elephant's bush, and then a little succulent arrangement for $16. Now that's pretty pricey. And then this goes for $13 for this. What else do we have? I see a moon cactus here. Don't know the price of this. And then we have more succulents here. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Take a look at this. They got orchid food. But I want to bring this guy out here. Look at this. This goes for $16. I just love the cactus holder. I'm gonna bring this here. Maybe somebody might want that. Alright, so this is where I got lost yesterday, and I actually bought a plant here last night. I'll talk about it in another video. But look at the succulents that they have, the variety here. Now these go for $6 a piece, so kind of expensive, but they do have a lot to offer. Now the smaller guys here, they go for $4, so that's pretty reasonable. I mean, they got all kinds of different things here. See some cressulas here. Get the moon cactus, some echeverias, some kalanchoes. Like, tell me, isn't this so awesome to see? And I love these moon cactus. Look at how cute this is. Love this. This one, like, also steals my attention as well. Don't know what this is, but I'm thinking it's the Senecio of some sort. And yeah, look at this owl planter for $10. You get an owl planter with a cute little succulent. Actually, this is pretty reasonable for a grocery store. $10, you get a plant and planter. Overview on the cut flowers. Now, I'm a huge fan of cut flowers. I love styling them in my home. And I just kind of wanted to just point this one out to you. Like, how stunning is that? I love those spring colors. And of course, I love lilies too. That is so pretty. Just want to give you guys a little glimpse of the cut flower section. And if you look here, there's more poinsettias. And then the variety of cut flowers that they have here. You got baby's breaths and different bouquets to make your own. I just love this. Like, how fun is this? Mini calla lilies, carnations, and pretty reasonable, $6. Smells so good. Beautiful lilies for $6. Love that. Sunflowers. And then here you go. One last look at what we just walked through. Tell me, isn't this the best plant selection in a grocery store? At least for me. And I've been to a lot of grocery stores in different states, and I'm just blown away by everything that they have to offer here. To wrap up another Come With Me featuring my local grocery store plant shop. Grandma, how fun was this?
Well, if you love colors
and plants,
you'll find it all here.
And also, Grandma, if you want to plant shop at midnight, yes, you can plant shop at midnight. And that's like 5 stars for me, guys, because you know all the nurseries and plant shops and boutiques, they close super early, and not all of them open every day. But this particular grocery store is open 7 days a week till midnight, from 5 a.m. to midnight. Like, how fun is that? You can come in here and plant shop almost 24 hours a day. If you guys enjoyed this Come With Me, bring you guys to my local grocery store plant shop with my grandma and Evie. Let me know down in the comments below. Give this video a big thumbs up. You can find more on my blog at ILOVEJEWELYN.blogspot.com. Until next time, aloha from Phoenix, Arizona. Bye.